When working with tough metals, precision is key. The best drill press for steel delivers power, stability, and accuracy, making every drilling task effortless, whether for professional or DIY projects. Number 1. Milescraft Drill Press for Steel. The Milescraft Drill Press for Steel is a highly versatile tool designed for precision drilling, whether for home improvement projects or professional woodworking. This drill press is ideal for straight or angled drilling, making it suitable for various applications, including drilling on the edge of a board or round stock. The sturdy construction ensures durability and reliability, making it an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. One of its standout features is its compatibility with all 3/8 and 1/2 cordless drills. It comes equipped with a 3/8 capacity chuck with a key, ensuring secure attachment and smooth operation. The angle readout provides multiple drilling angle settings, including 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 75 degrees, and 90 degrees, allowing users to achieve precise results for different drilling needs. Additionally, the centering channels built into the base accommodate drilling any round stock up to 3 inches in diameter, making it a highly functional tool for a variety of tasks. The Milescraft Drill Press for Steel boasts an all-metal head construction, ensuring long-lasting durability and minimizing wear and tear over time. The hex shank chucks to both 3/8 and 1/2 drills, offering a secure fit for different drill sizes. The easy glide bushing in the head eliminates play and wobble, providing precise and stable drilling, essential for professional and detailed work. Number 2. Dremel Drill Press for Steel. The Dremel Drill Press for Steel is a compact yet powerful tool designed for precision drilling, polishing, grinding, and sanding. Its articulating drill press stand allows users to drill perpendicular and angled holes in 15-degree increments, up to 90 degrees horizontal. This feature makes it an excellent choice for hobbyists and DIYers who require versatility in their projects. The built-in tool holder secures a rotary tool at a 90-degree horizontal angle, making it ideal for various tasks such as polishing metal objects, sanding different shapes, and grinding metal pieces. With a drill depth of 2 inches, it provides adequate penetration for most light to medium drilling tasks. This drill press is compatible with several Dremel rotary tool models, including 4300, 4000, 3000, 200, 100, 8250, 8240, and 8220, making it a valuable addition to any toolkit. A notable feature of the Dremel drill press for steel is the flexible shaft tool stand, which allows telescopic adjustment to any height between 16 and 29 inches. This adaptability ensures that users can work comfortably at various heights, enhancing efficiency and precision. Additionally, the included cord management clips help keep power cords safely stored, reducing clutter and preventing accidents. The sturdy metal base includes inch-metric markings for accurate drilling, depth markings with a depth stop for consistent drilling depth, and for clamping points to securely hold the station. This solid construction ensures stability and reliability during use. Number 3. Skil Drill Press for Steel. The Skil Drill Press for Steel is a powerful and reliable benchtop tool designed for precision drilling in various materials, including wood and metal. Featuring a robust 6.2 amp induction motor, this drill press delivers the power needed to handle a wide range of drilling tasks efficiently. Whether you're working on DIY projects or professional applications, this tool ensures smooth and accurate results. One of its key advantages is the 5-speed system, which offers speeds ranging from 610 to 2,800 RPM. This versatility allows users to adjust the speed based on the material being drilled, ensuring optimal performance and precision. The built-in laser alignment system further enhances accuracy, making it easier to execute precise drilling maneuvers. An adjustable depth stop ensures consistent and accurate drilling depth, making it ideal for repeated drilling tasks. Additionally, the adjustable table height provides easy depth control, accommodating different project requirements. The tilting work surface allows for precise and accurate angled drilling, with a tilt range of 0 to 45 degrees in both directions. Safety is a top priority with the Skil Drill Press for Steel. It features a bump-off switch, allowing users to quickly shut down the system if necessary, providing added security during operation. An LED work light is also included, illuminating the workspace and ensuring visibility even in dimly lit environments. With its powerful motor, multiple speed settings, laser alignment system, and adjustable features, the Skil drill press for steel is an excellent choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Its durability and user-friendly design make it a valuable addition to any workshop. Number 4. Novel Life Drill Press for Steel. The Novel Life Drill Press for Steel is a compact yet highly efficient tool designed for precision drilling. It features an upgraded structure with a solid metal frame, 3 metal axes, and 2 linear bearings, ensuring stability and reducing vibrations for enhanced drilling accuracy. The motor is strategically placed using a pendant plane bracket to further minimize vibrations and improve performance. This drill press is powered by a 795 DC motor that delivers a maximum speed of 7,000 RPM. The 24V adjustable power supply allows users to regulate the speed based on their specific drilling needs, ensuring strong and precise drilling capacity. Despite its compact size of 5.9 by 4.7 by 8.7 inches, it offers a maximum drilling stroke of 40 mm and operates with low noise, making it an excellent choice for home use. Designed with versatility in mind, the Novel Life drill press includes a B10 drill chuck compatible with 0.66 mm HSS drill bits. This compatibility makes it suitable for drilling wood, plastic, resin, aluminum, and other soft materials. Additionally, the multifunctional design allows for polishing, grinding, and drilling tasks, making it ideal for DIY projects, toy crafting, watch repair, and phone repair. Number 5. When Drill Press for Steel. When precision and power are essential for drilling through steel, this drill press delivers reliable performance with ease. Equipped with a 2.3A induction motor, it offers consistent power output, ensuring smooth and accurate drilling without excessive vibration. The 8-inch swing and 2-inch spindle travel provide enough reach for various drilling applications, making it a versatile choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Whether working on heavy-duty steel or lighter materials, this machine offers stability and control to get the job done efficiently. One of its standout features is the 5-speed operation, allowing users to switch between 750, 1100, 1500, 2100, or 3200 RPM to match different drilling needs. Lower speeds are ideal for tough metals, while higher speeds work well for wood or softer materials. The inclusion of a 1/2-inch keyed chuck ensures compatibility with a wide range of drill bits, giving users the flexibility to handle various projects. The 6.5 by 6.5 inch adjustable work table is another highlight, designed to bevel up to 45 degrees in both directions. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.